I initially spent $100 on Fiverr gigs monthly and over time managed to create a profitable YouTube business within a few months without showing my face or without using my voice. Here you see how this channel has grown over time, the number of subscribers, and importantly, the revenue from YouTube. In this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step details so that you can also use this as a guide to create your own YouTube business and make money on YouTube. When you think of YouTube video, there are several parts that must come together to create a video. First, the research about the topic of the video and the keywords. Then the video script, the voiceover, the video footage and editing, and the thumbnail. Can you really do this with just $100? Keep watching. I will give you the details and the best Fiverr gigs. But before that, what's important is how I plan to recover the money and also make a profit from a YouTube channel. Most people who start a YouTube business do it the wrong way and end up not making any money or worse, losing the money they invested. So before you start any YouTube channel as a business, you need to identify which monetization model you are going to use. There are a few options you can use to make money with a YouTube channel. The obvious one is the YouTube Partner Program, but this depends on how many views a video gets and the CPM. So if you are relying on this monetization method, you need to choose a high CPM YouTube niche. I covered about this topic in a previous video, so I won't repeat it here. The link to this video is in the description below. Another powerful method to monetize your YouTube channel is affiliate marketing. It's also a topic that I have covered extensively on this channel. There are several other methods like merchandise, Patreon, and online courses too, but most people starting out select either the YouTube Partner Program and or the affiliate marketing route. If you are thinking of using the YouTube Partner Program, it's important to understand the AdSense program policies. Otherwise, all your hard work and money will go to waste if they deny your YouTube channel for monetization. This particular YouTube channel was based around AdSense. So when it came to research, the focus was on creating videos around a high CPM niche, and that worked out well. Here you see the CPM is really high. This means that on average for 1,000 views, the revenue is $32. I don't want to reveal the channel because it's very easy to copy these types of channels. But if you like to know what this channel is about, leave a comment below. If I get at least 20 comments, I will create a future video about it. When it came to research, 50% of the videos were based on trending topics and the other was based on getting views from YouTube search. I use this tool Vidally, which I created a review video about to find trending topics and also find good keywords I could use for YouTube videos. I was able to generate about 50 plus keywords and I continued to use those to create future videos. Looking at YouTube analytics, you see that the initial research is actually working. Most of the views this channel gets are from recommendations along with YouTube search. If you also want to try out this research method using Vidally, I will leave the link in the description below. Even though I had about 50 keywords, I wanted to create just 4 videos and see what type of video will go viral or at least get the most amount of views. Since I only had $100 the first month, I knew there would be things I would have to do myself if I want 4 videos. So I decided to do research and thumbnail myself and then thought I will leave the rest to Fiverr. Now you might think that $100 is not enough, but I managed to get some good discounts. Do you want to know what I did to get those discounts? Then give this video a like and let me show you a way to reduce the cost on Fiverr. Before you buy any Fiverr gig, contact the person on Fiverr and mention that you have a bulk order. When you say you have several upcoming gigs, you can group those tasks together and they will create a custom offer for you, which is cheaper than buying one gig after another. For example, I asked for 4 scripts at once instead of just one script. I have the links to the Fiverr gigs I use in this blog post. The blog post link is in the video description below. These are people I can recommend and have good ratings. On the second month, I stopped paying for voiceovers as I realized Fiverr voiceovers was the most expensive. So paying so much for every video meant less budget for other things. So instead, I started using this online tool which generates human-like voiceover from text. I created a video about this also previously. If you want to try this out, the link is in the description below. I continued spending $100 on Fiverr every month for 6 months, even though the channel was not monetized. I did this because I know that building a YouTube channel takes time. If you believe in something, you need to persist with it. Once the channel was finally monetized, I was happy and relieved. I was able to recover the money I spent and make a huge profit. If you look at the last 6 months, the revenue has doubled. That is also because I increased the budget and also focused on creating more videos for a month. Even though I initially started doing the research and thumbnails myself, I outsourced all aspects when the YouTube channel was monetized. So today, this YouTube channel is totally run based on Fiverr gigs and is passive income, which I am proud of. If you are thinking of creating a YouTube business, check out this blog post. I have all the details here. Importantly, remember that YouTube is a marathon. Don't spend any money you can't afford to lose.